Hey everyone, welcome back to Guidezen, and today we have one of the best Android secret tool. You can make your phone's camera just as a microscope. How you can make and how you can use all the microscope features on your phone's camera. You just need to download this application and you need to use this feature or tool. Microscope Realistic. You can easily download it from your Google App Store or Play Store. Once you download this application, which name is Microscope Realistic, after opening this one, you can use all the features just like Microscope. Okay, I already downloaded this one. So after downloading, you just need to click on top start app icon. Okay, just clicking on start app icon, you can easily magnify and you can easily uh, scan anyone just like a microscope, and you can change the camera. For example, I want now it's on 5x, but I want to zoom it on 10x. You just need to click on 10x camera. You can use 10x camera, and if you want to use 20x camera, you can easily do that. So it's very simple. If you want to make your phone camera like a microscope, and if you want to use all the microscope features on your phone's camera, you can also use here a flashlight, and you can zoom it on 20x. So guys, I hope this short video is very helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.